girl. I was carrying another human in my body. You did not even appreciate the fact that this girl was passing through a lot. I never taken it before. Now that my first time be done. I don't know, say to get belle no day easy. So concerning the scenario that happened this morning, honestly, I've been trying to be calm in this house. I've been trying to be calm in this house. This girl has been in this house since you know cook anything. Now when I want to cook food, now you can't no say you won't come cause trouble, because obviously that trouble you they cause. You are looking for trouble. You are looking for trouble. And for everyone that are asking me, oh, don't disrespect Lemon David, don't disrespect him, you know it's your husband. Ordinary matter wey happen yesterday, you know if he settle. Ordinary matter wey pikin go settle, now they had down to settle. I am not saying you should settle the matter for me and this partner to talk or to start talking for us to be friends. I am not saying that. But once something like this is happening, as a man of the house, you could be able to arrange it and make sure that this thing works fine. There is 2 gas space. As I dey cook for here, once you see so this scenario don't happen, they call you. You could have just come out and say, oh, okay, this left for peace to reign. You cook here, you cook here. But na lie. Na lie. You dey try knock head where may just make the head for boss. Because I don't know what it will take you to say, okay, you cook like this or you cook here. Make peace for rain. Now I can't tell me how many minutes I want to cook for my own indomie. And maybe say indomie not even the past 10 minutes. Now I want to tell me how I want to cook my indomie. And you are here telling me how many minutes you want. How it take concern you? No, how it take concern you? For everybody that are asking me to respect him, you will see what he display. You all saw it. Smarty remain now. Mary walk on, they drag my hair. I know I don't tell you before, I've said it, and I'm going to still repeat it again. The reason why I did not and I don't want to touch you, I have my reason. You think say you be troublemaker? No, now me be the real troublemaker. Your own, you just the learn work. You don't forget my name. I be the drama queen. I know they carry last. So do not push me. Do not push me. I don't talk for this house. I only did this house. I know did the marriage. Do like say I no exist. Do like say I be ghost. What is supposed to even do as you enter the kitchen? If you just look say, oh, carry your pot, cook. Act like say a ghost they prepare food. Don't act like I'm in this house. If you want make peace reign, do like say I know they this house. But if you don't want make peace reign, they do like say you see me for this house. If you people can see the cause of this problem. After I go, they bring people who made the concept matter. Meanwhile, you are the real cause of the problem. Meanwhile, you are the cause of the problem. Ordinary matter now where you settle, now be your problem. Now you know if you settle. You can't tie your rope, can't they talk saying who enter the kitchen first? Now who enter kitchen first? I be that 2 space gas there and one person cook here, one person cook here. No, answer me. And you expect me to be calm. You expect me to respect this person. No, you expect me to say, oh, sorry, okay, do you know what? You know say sharp objects did that kitchen. Now wait till I feed do, they let you know. I know where I just say I only cloth cover me. But I know my reason I'm keeping you quiet. It not go take me anything to use my forehead, knock you for nose, use blow, bust your nose. It not go take me anything to do. But I was calm. I know why I'm calm. I go bust the both of your nose, use my forehead, knock you for nose, and there's nothing you will do. Thank God everybody say I'm online. Everything with that can go online. You dey talk say you bring pots. You dey Chris. When you enter this house, you get any pot so your papa, your family member bring enter this house. I just leave that part. I don't want just talk anything concerning that pot. Before this guy marry you, even your house where your family house, you no get pot. Now when he marry you, can't see money buy pot. Now for this house, you want call the talk say you buy pot. Who that shit monkey? My pot. Lemon was one that asked Victor to buy pot. buy all the plates, buy everything in this house, even before he got married to you wey be vomit. Even before he got married to you, Lemon that I know, anything he have, he cherished it. Lemon no fit dey for this house, no pot. Woman dey or no woman, he will buy everything, plate, spoon, everything. You won't come dey claim say you bring pot, you buy pots. Only thing I know say woman go feed you be say if you are in a man's house and you feel say something is missing, you replace it. But madam, when you enter this house, there was pot. So you did not. I don't want to. If I wanted to drag it with you, that pot, pata we do just pieces some. We go pieces some. Or I use the pot flog you for your brain. So you did not bring any pot to this house. Who dash monkey banana? Where you for bring them? Where? Who were you then? Person be say he bring you for me. You were wretched before, wretched human being. Where be say you not even get anything before. Who know you? Where you for come? Who be your family? Person manage come marry you now. You can't they tell me say pot. Who dash you pot? Up till date, if you never tell me you go buy pot for your family. You get pot before? No be tomato pali or ability they say you cook on food then. So when I'm talking, don't if I not follow, if I know this exchange word with you, that you have my reasons. You understand? No be every time dog go dey back, I go dey follow and dey back. No be every time. Two nkita no fit dey for one house. The only person who I blame na Lemon David. Na Lemon, na only him I blame. As they shout your name, I think say you won't come coordinate. Okay, this is it. I know they find settlement between anybody. But if you want to do something, coordinate like a man. It can't be like how they follow woman, they talk like say we be the man for this house. How far? As soon as not let me cook my food, I carry bread and mineral, come they drink. You still follow me. Such way you know say you go fit buy am. Plenty, you stay follow me. It's obvious you just want trouble. You people want trouble. And me go they give you a double. That is it. If I don't say make I not talk for this house, una go want me I talk. Wait happen. You get wetin my talk they give una. You get wetin my talk they give una because I will try to be calm in this house. Una, I no like wahala. I don't kukuma leave bed for una room, the room for una. Kukuma they stay for this guest house jelly. I kukuma left it for you people. That does not mean if I want to cause trouble, I will not cause. Because if I want to look for trouble, I go look for trouble. Me, I'll be troublemaker on my own. I may be trouble. I may be the king of trouble. So if I want to drag room with you, you will not win. I will sleep in that room. Pata go pursue of and I come out. But I don't talk. I am not in this marriage, but I'm in this house. But anything where you think say you feel say you want, you think say you feel bring, you know feel a drag person with already dey ground. You know, I know they happen. You know they happen. The only thing you do is seek for attention, and I don't seek for attention. You want people to notice you. I'm not like that. Person will love me, love. If you don't love me, girl, I know they see you. If you don't love me, I don't know if you exist in this life. Do you understand? I don't. If you don't love me, I don't think you exist in this life. That's just my life. And if you love me, fine. If you know, I know they look for attention. I know they look for who won't love me and who not love me. So as long as I'm in this house, act like I am a ghost in this house. Act like I don't exist. Act like they see me. If I carry pots, won't cook anything. If I was even thinking as Lemon go enter that kitchen, as he see you, if I say, what happened to Mary? Joy, where the joy dey? Do like where may they find the joy? May you do like say I'm not dead here. But na lie, you prove say I really did that house. You really prove say I really did that house. Can't you people act like you people do not see me in that house? Let peace reign. You where you they talk say I want them to divorce me. You want divorce. Now you still they talk say this is my house. I am not living. I don't know the house where you bring on this place. Now you where they find divorce where you say you won't go. Now you they fight for house. Can't you say that you people are both confused? Me now I know they fight. I can live anything I want to live, but I don't say 100 million or nothing. I don't want no one as I want to gather that money. I don't even care. All your friends say that you don't drag me. Go make una contribute and give me. I don't think it's too much. Because it's not that easy for another woman to carry another human for body. It's not easy. I dey carry person wey don dey wey their life inside my own body, and you think as that thing no dey again, you think I should be shining my teeth for you? You're not even ashamed of yourself.